So these are these are bags. And these are pins and coin purses. Patches. The train is going. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, look, they have a Ghostbusters patch. Oh, I got this.
Ask you to be mindful of coughing.
All right. Cough. I will cough all day long. Oh, look at this guy.
He's kind of funny.
Oh my God, it's Chansey. That's a nice one. And then here's a.
What is that?
That's the I forgot his name. Let's see, I don't know. Winkletuff. It was Winkletuff. No, I can't remember the name. Wiggle. Mondays. Here, Robert, look at this. This is you every day.
That is me every day. Especially in the morning.
Oh my God, I had this as a kid, but it was much bigger.
I bet you can drive a golf cart.
I'm sure I can drive a golf cart. Where was the lottery? I'm not seeing it. All right, so they have Japanese lottery here, and right now it's My Hero Academy. So this is the original board, okay? So then each ticket has like a number. So if you get an E, then you win that prize. If you get a K, you win that prize. You see what I'm saying? And then this is like a J. You know what I mean? So raffle items are not for individual sale. Please purchase a raffle ticket for a chance to win one of these items.
Which one's that one? That black one?
This is, does it say, and it doesn't have a number on it. Sometimes, like, if you buy out the entire lottery, there's a prize. So if that don't have a number on it, that might be the, ooh.
All right, go buy your damn tickets. Far wreck the place. Let's buy the tickets.
Oh, you're right. Let's go buy the tickets.
All right.
You can like shake the box if you like.
Okay, how many did we say we bought? 6?
Yes.
So you just randomly pull out 6 of the things.
Yeah.
There's 2.
Oh, you're taking it seriously.
Not really, but there's no strategy. I mean,
No, it's random.
it is what it is.
All right.
There's 6.
6, yes.
So
All
when
right.
you open them up
Okay.
at the arrow there. Actually, I have one of their tickets so I could show people. how
Oh,
to
okay.
open. So you just like pop it open and then it'll give you the letter.
All right.
Guys.
On the blacks, yeah.
Here, you
Okay,
ready?
yes, I got it. All right. So see, we got an I. Okay. And we're going to keep those.
Oh, we keep it? Okay.
You don't mind if I keep them, do you?
Oh, no.
And then
Hello.
a K. All right. So these were $15 each. And as you can see, there's a lot of lottery left.
J.
J.
Can I go alphabetically?
I wasn't paying attention to know what
K.
the desirables were. K.
J.
J. So we got 2 J's and 2 I's.
Okay.
All right, 2 I's, 2 J's, and 2 K's. Okay. All right, so we got 2 K's. That was this keychain. And then we got 2 folders. So we got 2 of those, and then we got 2 towels. And they do have more than one choice. So we were able to get different ones. So like the figures are like A, B, C, D. There's a C left.
It's an A? Oh, it is an A. Okay.
Yeah, it's, I know, because that keeps covering it. E, so that's an E. So now we're gonna do the Gachapon.
Yamamoto.
Yeah.
What is it called?
I don't know what you were just saying. Gachapon, is that? So these are them. All right, so we want, this is on the second machine. So, all right, right?
No.
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. No.
No. Yes. Stop. Wait, did I do it? It didn't go in. Yes, it went in. No?
Keep turning.
Did I mess up? Oh, shoot. I probably messed up.
So you lost your money?
Why did that not work?
Keep turning.
Is it out?
It's not, no, it's got them. It's just,
It's like stuck.
yeah. It's not turning for some reason.
I see it. Okay. I'm gonna have to ask her. All right. She helped. She just kept turning and it didn't eventually come through. So we're gonna try it again. Okay. Oh, okay. That one was a lot easier.
Yep. Someone lined it up.
All right. I should read the instructions first. Let's just go ahead. I like these. Let's just go ahead and do all 4 with this machine. Is there, can you see in there? Is there still a couple? Yeah, there's still a
there's
couple.
still something in there.
You got it lined up?
Put it in. Feed the kitty.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
There we go. All right.
There we go.
All right. I got one left. So let's do this one right here.
many did you
So
buy?
4 tokens. You get 4 for 20.
Goodness gracious.
4 for 20.
Hold on, it's a little. There we go. All right.
All right. We will open these when we get home because this place is quite crowded. So,
All right, put it in
all
the
right,
bag.
our bag of goodies. We are back from the mall and I just wanted to show my prizes. So these were mystery keychains. So we got that character and that character. They're vinyl. And then in the Gachapon, I got this character. And these are like, these have long straps like a bag. And then this is a little clip. And then that bag, this bag. And then I got, these are folders, like stationary folders. I got this character, this character, and then these are towels. So I got this one and that one. All right, I'm really happy that there's a store near me that has a Japanese lotteries. I think I might be doing this a lot more. Well, maybe like not a lot, maybe like once a month, because there was still like plenty of tickets left. So I don't want any more of this specific lottery, but I'm definitely going to check back next month to see if they have a different one. Very cute prizes. Top machine, bottom machine.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we did the My Hero Academy lottery at the anime store. The first time we did 2, and we got 2 Ks. Then we did it a second time, and we did 3, and we got 2 Is. That's the folders, and another K. And then we did it one more time with 2, and I got one of the figurines. Of course, that's absolutely the last one the girls wanted. So I don't think we'll be keeping that one. And another K. And we also did the gotchas. And we got several Jiu-Jitsu characters. So there's one of them. We got a duplicate of that one. And that one. And then that one. And that one. And then this was in a different one. That's, I think, a Demon Slayer. And then I accidentally got a Demon Slayer watch. It's not the one I meant to do, but I put it in the wrong one. But it's actually a working watch, so it's actually pretty cool. So that's very interesting. And then this one is another Demon Slayer one. And I'm assuming this is what you put Kleenex in. So that's a little Kleenex bag there. So these are our gotcha and our lottery from the anime store. So I was super excited to see the lottery because I've watched lots of YouTube videos of it, but it's, you know, only in Japan. So very excited to see that they had it here. Oh, let's open one of these so you can see what they are. Maybe. I know the girls open them all. So these are, I guess it's kind of rubber, and that's a little charm. So that's Izuku. And so we have two of these. And then, let's see which one this is. Sorry, I can't open with one hand. I should open them ahead of time. If I say the names wrong, I'm sorry. Kitsuki. Another Izuki. And I know this one's different. I know they said we only got one. And then Hawks. So those are, I don't know if I would call that a keychain because that's just a charm on it, but that's neat. All right, so that's what we got from the lottery. And so these are a clear file folder, and then also comes with stickers. So those two stickers are with it. The folder, and then the stickers. So overall, I think we did a really good haul at the anime store today.